Just one word. Imagine if you could achieve all your desires just by repeating one word every day. Sounds unbelievable, right? But what if I told you that it's actually possible? That's right. With the law of assumption, you can use the power of your mind to bring your desires to reality with just one simple word. You will need to watch the video till the end, otherwise it is really hard for this to work. In this video, we'll be diving deep into the teachings of Neville Goddard and the law of assumption, and we'll show you how to use this powerful technique to manifest all your desires. So buckle up and get ready to unlock the power of your mind. Well, let me introduce you to the concept of the law of assumption. This powerful principle, popularized by the metaphysical teacher Neville Goddard, states that your reality is a reflection of your assumptions, beliefs, and expectations. But hold on, don't confuse it with the law of attraction just yet. While both principles focus on the power of the mind, the law of assumption takes it up a notch by emphasizing the importance of feeling and living in the result. In simpler terms, if you want to manifest your desires, you need to assume the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of the law of assumption. It's based on the idea that your beliefs and assumptions create your reality. So if you assume something to be true, your mind accepts it as reality and begins to create experiences that align with that assumption. Crazy, right? For example, if you assume that you're not good enough to achieve your goals, your mind will create experiences that reinforce that belief, like missed opportunities or failures. However, if you assume that you are capable of achieving your goals and embody the feeling of having already accomplished them, your mind will create experiences that align with that assumption. Let me share with you an example of how the law of assumption can help you manifest your desires. Meet John, a struggling actor who had been auditioning for roles for months with no success. Feeling frustrated and hopeless, John decided to give the law of assumption a try. He chose the word success as his single word to manifest his dream role. Every day, John would repeat the word success to himself and visualize what it would feel like to finally land his dream role. He imagined the thrill of being on set, the applause of the audience, and the satisfaction of a job well done. And guess what? After just a few weeks of practicing these techniques, John received a call from a renowned director who had seen his audition tape and was impressed with his talent. He was offered the lead role in a movie that was not only critically acclaimed but also a commercial success. John was over the moon with joy and knew that the law of assumption had played a key role in manifesting his dream role. So if you're looking to manifest your desires, try out the law of assumption and watch as the universe aligns to make your dreams a reality. Now, choosing your single word to effectively manifest your desires using the law of assumption. It's essential to choose a single word that embodies your desire. The power of this word lies in its ability to evoke the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. Here's an example of how to choose your single word. Let's say your core desire is to manifest more abundance in your life. Start by identifying the emotions associated with abundance. Perhaps you feel joy, excitement, and gratitude when you think about abundance. Brainstorm a list of words that evoke those feelings, such as prosperity, abundance, or wealth. Then choose the word that resonates most with you and feels like the best representation of your desired state of abundance. Here are a few more examples of powerful words for different desires. Love. If you're looking to attract a romantic partner or strengthen existing relationships, the word love can be a potent reminder of the warmth and connection you desire. Success. For those seeking professional achievements or personal growth, the word success can help you stay focused on your goals and visualize your accomplishments. Health. If you want to improve your health and well-being, the word vitality or wellness can be a powerful choice to evoke feelings of energy and vibrancy. Remember, the key is to choose a word that truly embodies the essence of your desire and the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. Get ready to take your manifestation game to the next level with these simple yet powerful visualization techniques using your single word. First, find a quiet and comfortable place where you can fully immerse yourself in the process without any distractions. Once you're settled, take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. Next, visualize yourself already in possession of your desired state while focusing on your single word. If your single word is love, for example, picture yourself in a loving relationship, feeling the warmth and connection with your partner. But don't stop there. To really make your visualization come to life, engage all of your senses in the process. Imagine what it would look like, sound like, smell like, and most importantly, feel like to have already achieved your goal or be living the life you desire. As you visualize, focus on positive emotions such as gratitude, joy, and love. Let these feelings fill you up and infuse your visualization with even more power and energy. Finally, make it a habit to repeat your visualization daily. This will help you keep your mind focused on your desired outcome and stay aligned with the energy of your single word. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch as your manifestations start to come to life before your very eyes. Let's look at another method, or let's say it as in part 3. Meditation is a powerful tool to calm your mind and promote overall well-being. And the best part is, you can use your single word to enhance your meditation practice. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Choose your single word. This can be anything from abundance to health to love. Pick a word that represents your desired state. Step 2. Find a quiet and comfortable space. Sit or lie down somewhere without distractions. Step 3. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Take a few deep breaths and let your body relax. Focus your attention on your breath and let any thoughts or distractions drift away. Step 4. Repeat your chosen word silently in your mind. As you repeat the word, focus on the feeling it evokes. Allow yourself to fully embody that feeling and let it fill your body. Step 5. Stay focused. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your single word and the feeling it represents. Step 6. Continue repeating your single word and feeling the associated emotion. Do this for a few minutes, and you can set a timer for 5 to 10 minutes to help you stay focused. Step 7. End your meditation. When you're ready to end your meditation, take a few deep breaths and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on the feeling you experienced during your meditation and carry that feeling with you throughout your day. Remember, meditation is a practice. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. So take a few minutes each day to meditate with your single word and notice how it enhances your overall well-being. Let's take this up a notch. Feeding the energy of your single word is an essential step to manifesting your desires, but it's not always easy to do. It takes practice and dedication to truly embody the feeling of your wish being fulfilled. To get started, find a quiet and comfortable space where you can focus on your single word without any distractions. Take a few deep breaths and repeat the word to yourself, allowing yourself to sink into its energy. But don't stop there. Engage your senses to fully immerse yourself in the feeling of your single word. If your word is love, light a candle or diffuse an essential oil that reminds you of the warmth and connection of love. If your word is abundance, surround yourself with objects that represent prosperity, like a bowl of coins or a plant that symbolizes growth. As you practice feeling the energy of your single word, you'll start to notice a shift in your thoughts and emotions. You'll feel more aligned with your desired state of being, and you'll start to attract circumstances and opportunities that support your manifestation. So keep at it, even if it feels challenging at first. With consistent practice, you'll be able to effortlessly embody the energy of your single word and manifest your desires with ease. So at last, start by expressing gratitude for the abundance, love, success, or health that is already present in your life. By focusing on what you have, you open yourself up to even more blessings. But don't stop there. Take inspired action towards your goal. Align your actions with the feeling of your wish already being fulfilled. If your desire is to manifest more abundance, start taking steps towards building wealth. Invest your time and energy in starting a side hustle or exploring new opportunities that align with your goal. Remember, allowing your desire to manifest is the final step in the process of using a single word to manifest your desires. Let go of any resistance and trust that the universe will bring you what you desire. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.